Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to increase the number of rows in a table on Retool. Even if you have zero data or zero experience, don't worry, this is super easy. From the right side under Components, drag a table and drop it onto the canvas. Since we don't have real data, we'll add some fake data so we can see rows in the table. Now you have 7 rows visible. Right now, the table might show only 4 to 5 rows. To increase visible rows, just grab the bottom edge of the table and drag it down. Or tell them, select the table, go to the right side, increase height from an X, let's say 48 pixels, to 20 pixels. Now we can see more rows. You can also physically add more rows to the data by adding extra codes. And that's it. This is how to increase the visible rows in a Retool table, even without any real data. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe.